feel like
How many is he gonna
good
bring
times
back?
go by too fast. Yeah, I wish time would tick a little slower. Sometimes it feels like a blink and then it's over. Better soak it in, better make it last. Live it up while we can, cause the good times go by too fast. Before you know it, your baby's having babies.